Today, I'm going to be covering some of the best ways to make money with AI, like you can see right here. If you actually have a look, for example, on our Twitter, we have multiple Twitter accounts that we can create and scale, right? So, for example, if I switch accounts now, we'll switch to this account, which has 610 followers. And if we go to the analytics here, you can see that we still reach like 42,000 people a month, 42,000 people per month on this sub account that we don't even try on. You can see an example of the impressions right there. And you see it's growing over time nicely as well. You can actually you can scale this a lot. I mean, like if you look at some of these tweets, what we're doing is we're taking our original content, repurposing it, chopping it up. Go back to the analytics here. Number one, we can make money from the Twitter revenue. And number two, we generate more traffic to our funnels. Number three, like we're reaching for 42,781 people. All right. So 42,781 times 12, which is, over a year. So we're reaching an extra 500,000 people for very little extra work because we just rinse and repeat the process on Google Gemini. Okay. So that works really well. And then also what you can do is you can do similar sort of things on YouTube. Right. So, for example, we have a channel that takes like 2-minute clips from our existing videos, from our live streams, takes the best stuff, focuses on what's the most valuable part of the video, and then turns that into a nice little video like you can see right here. So, for example, if we have a look through the videos on this side, you can see we've got this one, which was literally just from a couple of days ago. You can see it's nicely edited. It's like a better version of the original stream. It covers the same topic, but it's just like a 2-minute clip, right? It just takes the best 2 minutes. And you can easily do that with something like an AI video clipper, right? So there's a bunch of video clippers out there. You've got like Opus Clips, you've got Vizard, you've got Descript as well. Descript can do this.